Here I'm going to demonstrate the tab order and the focus using the tab order demo. This program came with the sample programs that you downloaded. So you can see I have 5 text boxes and a button, and I'm just going to start running this program. And you'll notice, I can start if I hit my name, and then I'm going to hit the tab key right to the next text box. And then I'm going to hit the tab key. Now it bypasses the city now and it goes to the state. And you can see that flashing cursor. That means state currently has the focus. So I'm going to put the state. Then if I hit the tab key again, it goes to the clear button. And if I hit the tab key again, it goes to city. And if I hit the tab key again, it goes to zip. So some of you might think that's okay, but I'm here to tell you that's not okay. You shouldn't be jumping around the form like that. And the reason it's happening has to do with the tab order. I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to close this. Okay. And to see the tab order, you can go to View and choose Tab Order. And what will appear here is the actual tab order. So this one has, you can see here, first of all, the labels, even though they have a tab order, it doesn't really matter. And the reason, actually city was first. If I actually clicked into the name text box first. If I didn't, it would have entered the city first. You could see the different order going on here. Now, I've noticed in the newer compiler sometimes, if you go under View, you don't find tab order. So if your tab order is missing, you want to come out here, choose Add or Remove Buttons, and then select Tab Order, and then it'll appear up here for you. But what you can do is you can just go through and click on the order that you want them to be. And the order always starts with 0. Because in computer science, we always start counting at 0. So now you can see if I run this program again, and I do the same thing. So every time I tab, it's going where I want it to go. And then if I tab again, it's going to go to the clear button. Okay, so again, I'm just going to show you now if I go to View, this is where tab order, View, tab order, there we go. You will see numbers on the labels, but you don't really tab to a label, so it doesn't matter what they have in there. And after you get the tab order set how you want it, you just hit the escape key, and then that's going to save that for you. So that's how the tab order works, very easy. Now, again, I'm going to run my program. And you'll notice when it starts, my cursor's flashing here in name. That means that has the focus first. So if I go here, all right, and let's say I clear, all right, it's going to go back here to name. So let's talk a little bit about that. I'm going to view the code. And the reason it goes back here is because at the end of the clear button, I have set the focus back to the name text box, right? So I'm going to delete that line of code out. I'm going to start it again. If I hit clear, right, the focus is right here on the clear button, and I've got to come back, and I actually have to click into that name box. So what's happening is this line of code right here, after it clears out all the boxes, it'll set the cursor back into the name text box. So it resets that focus. All right, so that's a little bit about tab order and the focus method.